Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a professional YouTube channel. So let's start it. At first open your Windows and desktop and refresh your desktop. Going to the any browser option and my choose Mozilla Firefox browser and click for the Firefox browser. This open the browser and click for the YouTube logo option. Then we can see and then show the Gmail, my Gmail, and click for the my Gmail option. Then click for the YouTube Studio. Then we can see and then first is a channel name. My channel name is created for Mahmoud Arab and is then firstly select picture and then channel name any name and click for the character channel. Then click for the character channel. Then waiting. It's okay. This successfully is my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is this my channel and channel is a picture and logo. Then I show the interface is a my YouTube channel, professional YouTube channel. Uh, this YouTube channel is video uploaded. This click for the and select file. Then any source video and click for open. Let's open. Then I show the created a professional YouTube channel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.